Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on iPad Air 11. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now select Microsoft Edge and click this icon. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now again. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.